Hey everyone, so there are like more than 50 types of 3x3s, right? But as for 4x4s, there's only like 9. I won't list them. But the most recent addition to that is the Maru 4x4. And a lot of people are excited about this, and I'm also extremely excited to review it because it has been sitting on my desk boxed up like this for 2 days, and I've heard great things about it. So let's unbox it and try it out. So right off the bat, the box is extremely aesthetic. It has this really cool effect actually of making it look like there's not a 4x4 inside, or it's not a cube. It's going to be like a 4x4x6 or something. It's covered in Asian characters. I'm not entirely certain. I want to guess Chinese. But I'm no Asian linguist, so I'm not going to take a firm guess. But yeah, all this stuff around it. Interesting diagrams. Oh, sweet. So it comes with a lubricant, which is good because I'm running out of some. A stand, which is cool because stands are nice to have sometimes. Nothing right there. A instruction booklet. And then the 4x4. Let's see. So this is standard regular 3x3. Next to it, this is the Mefferts 4x4. So it's just a little smaller, but just that difference will definitely make a difference. It feels small already in my hands. So it's, ooh, it's like even wrapped in plastic again. First turns. So first impressions, it feels pretty good. It's not lubed up or anything. You can see how it turns. This is fine right now. So I'm going to use this stuff in this, and I'm going to try it out a bit, and then I'll keep going. Better yet. Aha! Oh, so just for record purposes, because I know people are going to ask how I applied the lube, we're just gonna play this by ear. So for most big cubes, you can actually offset a layer or something, and you can make a gap somewhere, and then you can put the lube in that gap. We're going to do it on the outer layers and hope that it spreads to the inner layers. So we're just going to drip some in right there. It's just a eyedropper kind of thing. I have no idea if that's enough. Wow. So that was actually just enough. This is really smooth right now. The middle layer is a little bit more. I'll put some more in, but put a little bit more in. Really though, you don't need much. So I've been playing with the Maru for about 2.5 days now, just doing averages and solves on it. And so far it's nearly lived up to the hype that I've read about it. Let's look at it more closely now. Alright, so impressively it cuts corners better than any other 4x4 I've tried so far. Here's just an RU Prime. Here's the same thing on my 4x4, Mefferts 4x4. Doesn't quite do it. Furthermore, middle slices also work really well. One complaint I have is the stickers are not very vibrant, shall we say. This, in turn, actually throws off recognition sometimes, and it makes pairing edges. Makes the edge step a little harder. Let's see what else is there. I've also loosened this quite considerably with the screws inside there. They're a little hard to reach sometimes. I've loosened every screw by a half turn, and it's loose enough now that I can actually twist corners individually. And that's something that you normally can't do on 4x4s or cubes bigger than 3x3s in general. Or smaller than 3x3s. Yeah, the 3x3 stage of the 4x4 when solving is extremely fluid. You can cut corners so much more, and it's definitely cut down how fast you can solve the 3x3 stage. The other complaint I have is the inside generally has a more constant tension as opposed to the outside, which is easily loosened. The inside looks like it has the same similar structure to a V-cube would. And the lube that comes with it is really, really good. It's completely white out right now, but it's really good. I've used it for more than just this, and just 2 drops, it's perfect. So let's just do a quick solve with this, and we'll wrap it up. So with the Maru, I haven't gotten like stellar averages with it. It wasn't a huge difference like the Alpha 5 was for my 3x3s. It could be for the stickers, but I will say this, is that it's much more pleasurable to solve than a Mefferts or something that just doesn't cut corners as well. So I'm probably going to switch this to my main 4x4. The stickers, however, I'm going to have to replace in this green is really, really ugly and just I can't recognize it. So I would buy this if you're currently dissatisfied with the 4x4. So if you do get it, I think it's definitely worth it. There's a link in the description below to buy it. If you have a 4x4 that isn't that good, if it, especially if it doesn't cut corners. If you want a 4x4 that cuts corners, this thing really works. So that's the review for the Maru 4x4. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you found it helpful. I will see you next time. Bye. Side Pro, it comes in this awesome box with this great lubricant and a stand that's blue.